How to create Mitrade account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are new to Mitrade and want to create an account, then you can easily do so in just a couple of minutes. First things first, go ahead and download the Mitrade application from your App Store or your Play Store and launch it open. Once you open up the application, this will be the first interface where you need to go ahead and pick one of the sign up methods from the bottom. You can sign up to Mitrade with your Google account, Facebook account, or with email. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the sign up with email option. On the next page, go ahead and enter an email address you have an access to and that you can verify. After typing down the email, click next. On the next page, create a password for your account. Make sure to include the criteria given above while creating your password. And finally, click on sign up. Now, you'll need to verify your email. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox. Also, don't forget to check your spam since it will be sent in your spam sometimes. Open up the email from Mitrade and click on verify now to verify your email. So after you do that, your email will be successfully verified. You can now get back to the Mitrade application and click on done. Now, after your email is verified, go ahead and click on Let's Start. Select your country and check if you are not a US citizen or resident for tax purposes. Agree to the terms and conditions on the next circle, and if you've got a referral code, you can also type it down under the referral code tab, and finally click Next. Now, enter your full name and then your date of birth on the next page. Enter your education level. Choose your current employment status. Enter your company's name if you are employed. Answer all of the questions. And then you'll need to go ahead and complete your identity verification. After completing your identity verification, you will be able to open up your account and complete your identity verification as well. While verifying your identification, you need to go ahead and upload your national ID, driver license, or passport according to your location. The document type might vary depending upon your region. So right after you complete it, you will be able to get inside your homepage of Mitrade. Now you can go ahead and explore through the app, get familiarized with it, and that's it. You've successfully finished the sign up process. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.